We're looking at wire guardians and crimp covers up close. We'll be using beading wire, chain, crimp tubes, wire guardians, crimp covers, beads, crimping pliers, flush cutter, chain nose plier. Cut a piece of beading wire 3 inches longer than the desired finished length. Thread on a crimp tube. Thread the beading wire up one leg of the wire guardian, moving it across the open channel and down through the other leg. Thread on the chain, placing it in the horseshoe of the guardian. Thread the beading wire back through the crimp tube. Move the crimp up to the base of the wire guardian legs, leaving a small cap to accommodate the crimp cover. Secure the crimp tube. String on the beads and repeat the steps with the crimp tube and wire guardian for the opposite end. Slip the crimp cover over the first crimp and use the crimping plier or chain nose plier, applying gentle pressure to maintain the ball shape. Repeat for the other end. Now you have a perfect, professionally finished connection.